Hey everyone, it's your boy Palia back again. How you all doing? Today I'm gonna be presenting you with something different. So without further ado, let's get started. So yes guys, starting off, I'm gonna talk you around with a few things guys today. So first of all, we'll start with YouTube Studio and I'll show you some real deal guys. So basically what I'm gonna show you today is a bunch of things, and the reason I'm starting with YouTube Studio is I will try to show you something. See, you see these views guys, these are my real views on my video, and the views on the YouTube you see yourself and I see myself as well. I'm gonna show you are not always true, because it's like there's some sort of bug in YouTube. It always gets stuck until and unless the video is quite a few days old. And as you can see, the views, they match with the views in my YouTube Studio, because these videos have been old and I took a 3 days break. I'm sorry for that guys, but I do need to do. So yeah guys, because of that 3 days break, my videos got old and they got the latest views. But still, it's not good. It definitely is not good guys, because it's like the first impression is the last impression. You see my video, and for example, the teaser I created for standoff 2 as a CSGO type. So the trailer got actually 44 views, 48 now, so got 44 views in the very first day itself, and the views were stuck. So this is something I don't really like. It's like the views, they were stuck on 30. So anyone who watches my video on YouTube, it will show them the views are 30, and which I really hate. But nevertheless guys, talking about games, I have 3 games in my mobile right now. It's Call of Duty, Fire, Standoff 2. And if I have to make them in a tier list, I would say Standoff 2 as first, second Call of Duty, and third Cover Fire. Not because I hate Cover Fire, just because the fact that Call of Duty and Standoff 2 are the best games so far for me. And yes guys, these are some editing softwares I use right now. And yes guys, these are a bunch of different softwares for their own very purpose they serve. And as you know, I'm a photographer, a videographer. So these are the apps I put to my use when I need them. And starting off, I'll explain you how to use autofocus. These apps are really nice, and autofocus is it's an app I've been using for quite a long time. When I didn't have a nice phone, I used to take pictures, click pictures, and edit them in autofocus, and you will see the end result. It will amaze you. This is so damn good guys. Have a look. So guys, by have a look, I mean I'm gonna take a random picture of something. So for example, let me set this up. So yeah guys, I'll show you. So you see this guys, I have a cream on my table. I click the picture. Now I'm gonna edit it, and I'm gonna make the center of my focus this cream right here. And yes guys, the other background, basically you will see what it does. So it makes your pictures look like you have got it done from a high-end camera. Doesn't matter on a mobile or a DSLR really, but it really makes it work. So as for now, I clicked on the top left corner, the top selection. That what that does is, this white line is the center of focus. You select the object, you outline it roughly, the center of focus you want to set. And after you do that, see the red area, I know it's all over the whole screen, but this is the area of focus. So what you need to do is click on the third option and roughly make a line to select your background. So yeah guys, after I did this, you can see here are a bunch of imperfections which I can zoom in and correct by using white lines and black lines again and again. That depends on me. So I'm using black line, spotting them by clicking them just a bit so I don't ruin them. Of course, if I ruin them by mistake, I can click on the undo button right next to the next button. So yeah guys, this provides you with lot of options to play with. This is just amazing app. It's just so lovely, I can't stress it out. It's just like nowadays I don't really use it, but there are times that I have to take a wider picture, use my wide angle camera, so it doesn't make it like that. But if I use a wide angle camera and there's some sort of thing I wanna crop or something, or I wanna crop one single person out of the wide angle picture, I'll use this app, I'll crop him or whomsoever the person is, sorry, and then I'll focus on them so that it looks like a focused image, a DSLR image. So yeah guys, And don't worry if you mess anything up, this app allows you to play as much as you want with it. Moreover, it's an all free app, so you don't need to pay a single penny. Also, guys, whilst I'm showing you a sort of tutorial how to do this editing things app. So basically, I know many of you guys know more than me, so I'm just showing you these, as these options allow you, after you create the image, you can increase the blur, you can feather it. So basically what feather means is like you can smoothen it up so it looks natural. So yeah guys, my main purpose of showing this to you is I wanted to do something for a change on my channel. So I've decided to do an episode of Thursday Talks TT on my channel, and I'll see if I can continue this every first day or if I do this alternative weeks. But I'm thinking of doing it if this gets a nice response, because this is something, like, I wouldn't say unique, but it's something different, and it keeps the joy amongst every single one of us. And as far as I'm concerned, this is a change what everyone needs. So yeah guys, and yes guys, the reason being I have not been uploading for past 3 days is because I have been busy in life first, and we just don't ask me. To be honest, I did record a video yesterday morning, and it just like it didn't work out. It's like I was recording for the whole day by leaving some periods, and for some reason I wasn't having the nice match I was expecting. Instead of two, that's the reason I didn't edit it, I didn't post it. And you won't believe me, guys, I still have the recording. But nevertheless, guys, I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna bring you up some good stuff. And until then, guys, I'm gonna show you Pixela. This is also a really nice app, but when you have to do the focus thing, you have to do the DSLR effect thing. I recommend, highly recommend you use After Focus. It's the best in the business, the best in the market you can ever get, and of course, it's for free. And all these apps I have right here are free. Of course, a few of them have a paid version, but I don't pay for anyone. Any app, I didn't pay for anything. Trust me. So yeah, guys, this Pixela, this is also a really good app. It allows you to play through a bunch of settings, just like Lightroom and in just whatnot. Also guys, so basically what this app does is like, just as I really mentioned right now, Lightroom, and nowadays I use my Samsung's really own built-in app for editing some pictures if I do need to, because nowadays it's really is not really necessary. You can have it in any single app, but I do prefer to have some apps on my side in case I need them. So as you see here are a lot of things you can play with in this app. You can use double exposure, you can auto fix it, auto contrast, sharpening, red eye, heal effect, splash, blur, adjustments, crop is basic, rotate is basic, but it's it's gonna give you a bunch of different settings to play with. Moreover, when you're done playing with your image, with your project, after you click next, you can still undo it, and you can do After Effects. And this was teaching me something because I haven't used it in a while, but I did try it, but I don't know what it was trying to say. But nevertheless, guys, I was just trying to show you that you can really play with it the way you want. I'm not going to show you in whole detail because it's going to take so long, and I don't think I'm the right guy at this very moment to teach you how to do editing, because some of you might be pros and experts and just masters and just whatnot. So I'm not going to teach you. Of course, if you guys do need some editing, I am really good at it. I won't say I'm the very best, but I'm really good at it. So if you need tutorials like that, you can also comment down in the comment section below so that I can see him and I can build some for you guys, and I can show you what I have for you guys. And as you see guys, I'm trying to show you different type of settings, so you can play with contrast and all. You can use hue, you can saturate the image less or more, you can change the exposure, you can sharpen it, you can just do whatsoever your mind, your will says for, and the app will do for you. But trust me guys, the best app I would recommend out of my editorials are After Focus for picture projects and works, KineMaster for editing, plus having Viva Video Pro. You can easily find it online for free. So yeah, having Viva Video Pro is a pro because uh, pro as in pro and cons. So it's really a good thing, it's a benefit for you guys because it allows you to play with some few things you don't get in KineMaster. And yeah guys, so these are the apps I would recommend: After Focus, KineMaster, Viva Video Pro, and Pixel Lab, because Pixel Lab is really nice. I created my cinematic opening using this just one part of this, because I created an image with a transparent background, I'm sorry. So I used it in a way. And yes guys, do comment down in the comment section below if you want to know how I created my teaser. And I'm going to make another teaser, but this time I'll be showing you the recording of how I am doing it whilst I'm talking to you guys, so it would be a good tutorial. If you want to see it, do comment down in the comment section below, and don't forget if you are. So guys, I think this is a good time for a wrap up. Be sure to smash the like button real hard, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't until now. Comment down in the comment section below, and do follow me on my Instagram. And yes guys, I'll be uploading from tomorrow, and that's a promise. You will see my video tomorrow, and God knows what, I might surprise you in between, so you never know. So until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye. With